We took a look at some navigation and selection shortcuts, but now let's take a look at just some general shortcuts that you will find yourself using very often if you want to. The first, remember how I said that you'd get really familiar with this icon over here, this save button here? Well, if you don't want to, you actually have another option. Instead, anywhere you are in your spreadsheet, you can just press and hold Control and hit the S key. So Control S saves it. So if you don't want to have to go over here and click Control S often, and that will make sure that you're not losing any of your work. If you want to copy cells, then we can select them either by selecting this way, or if I wanted this entire chunk here, I could Control, Shift, and down arrow. That would select everything on its way to getting to the ends of our data. And if I wanted to copy it, I can press Control, C, and that will copy it. And if you'll notice, there's these little tiny dotted moving lines in a box around the outside of what we just copied. This is letting us know that it was copied. And then maybe I wanted to paste it over here. I would just go to wherever I want the start of that to be pasted and press Control V, and that will paste those cells for us. If I wanted to paste special, which we will learn about later, this is copied, and maybe I wanted to paste special, you would press Control Alt V. So just regular paste is Control V. If you wanted to be paste special, Control Alt V. And we'll learn more about these options in the menu that pops up when I press Control Alt V to paste special. We'll learn about this later, but this is a way to pick and choose what it is that we actually want to be pasted over, because maybe we don't want the whole thing. Maybe we just want the formatting, or we just want the values. And this is the menu that will allow you to choose from there. For now, I'm just going to paste all and press OK, and that gives us the same effect as just regular Control V did to paste. If I wanted to undo, I could either press this back arrow up here, or I could, I'm going to just go forward again so that I can show you the keyboard shortcut for this. If I wanted to undo this pasting that I did here, I could press Control Z, and that would take us back one step and undo one step. If I wanted to find something within my spreadsheet, maybe I cannot find the brand checks for some reason, and I want to see what cell it is located in, I press Control F. That's a pretty easy one to remember, Control F, find. And then I'm looking for the brand checks, so I'll type that in, and then I'm going to press Find All. When I press Find All, it's going to say, here's where it is. It's in this workbook on the General Shortcuts sheet, and it is in cell B25. It's got it highlighted there. So now I can identify very quickly that's where it is by searching through my workbook. And again, to do that, we just press Control F. Control F brings up that window for us. In the next video, we're going to look at how to access even more with just your keyboard and not having to use your mouse. So if you're serious about really optimizing the time that you're spending in Excel, you're going to love the next one.